Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I am going to show you how to write a colorful thesis without using any color command inside the document environment, that is between begin document and end document. Everything will be controlled by the preamble. So let us see how the thesis looks like. So this is contents. It has got preface. There is one chapter I have written in this demo thesis. There is bibliography, index is also there, and the color of the page is also yellowish. This is preface. Here I have written some result from the next chapter, and I have used my repeatable environment and repeated command, which I have discussed in an earlier video. So that also I have included in the preamble. Colorful items, okay, and then this is chapter 1. See it, quite colorful. This is the original statement, and it is written under a repeatable environment, and there is a proposition also, and then there is a bibliography. It is also colorful, and then finally I have written index. I have written only 3 items in the index, and so this is how the thesis looks like. And now let us go to the editor and see the preamble. So it starts with document class. This SVG names is a option for Xcolor package. There are other options also, like DVI, PS names and X11 names. You can read the documentation of Xcolor and use your option. Then this is for make index. Then all these packages are for writing mathematical theorems and all these things. But the most important thing is the package Xcolor, that this package is needed, obviously. And then this new theorem style you have to define. I have called it colored. You can call it my color or theorem color, whatever you like. And then here this color is adjusted. And then there is another theorem style, define color. So this is for definition and all. So this theorem style colored is used here for writing theorem, result, lemma, corollary, proposition, etc. So this and then there is another theorem style is there. Define color. So here this is used to write definition and remark, and here the chapter, section and equations are written with color. Color is introduced. Then color is controlled by this preamble as far as chapter section formatting is concerned, chapter section is concerned. So all the colors are written here only. Nothing is in the main body of the document. And then this one is the proof formatting. The color of the proof is also controlled here. Then equation is controlled from here, equation number actually, and then bibliography is controlled from here. Then page number is controlled from here. I don't know how to control only the page number, but if I have used these two commands, color and page color, this will control not only the page number but also the title page and so on. There is another command here I have written, which I have written inside after a percentage sign, this renew command. The page text color magenta are big, but if I use this command, then index disappears. This is not necessary, so I can delete it. So this one, the index disappears, but if I want index, I have to put it on after a percentage sign. So I'm still working on it. But anyway, there is a way out on this color and page color. If it is written here, that will control the page number, and of course the title page also will be controlled by that simultaneously. And then this is for restating results, which I have discussed in an earlier video also. In earlier video I said that this within repeatable environment blank lines are not permitted, but here we have made it permissible. I have included this plus sign inside here after grep body, grep name, repeated, etc. And now blank lines are permitted. So there is no problem in this matter. And this is for colorful items. So this I have included here. And now the document environment starts, and here you can see that there is not a single color command between begin document and end document. Of course, you can write your color command here if you want to color anything, any text or any page, so using page color or text color, etc. So this is all normal commands. The preamble controls everything. See, in the bibliography also there is no color statement, color command. Print index also, the usual commands only. Whatever commands we write for in case of black and white thesis, it is all same. But if you use that preamble, this preamble, then it will become colorful. That is the interesting part of this thing. This text file is available in the link of this text file is available in the description of this video, which you can download and modify it according to your sweet will. So I hope you will enjoy this. So here is the thesis. You can download the text file and work on it. So have a nice day then.